Good morning, everybody. I'm on the way into the Department of Health this morning. We're having our next meeting of the National Disability Inclusion Strategy. I sit down with all the different departments and also many people representing the different disability groups throughout the country. Of course, we're in a very unusual position this time with COVID-19. We know it's very, very stressful for many people with disabilities, for their families and for the carers. And once again, I want to use this opportunity to say to all the families that we understand it's a very difficult time. We know that a lot of the adults particularly are missing their day services, and that's something that we're focusing on. But there's great work going on in the disability sector. All the different departments are working closely together to focus in and zoom in on more supports for children with disabilities, particularly those at primary school level. So this is something that I've been raising in the Cabinet for the last number of weeks. Just one that has come up in the recent days is the issue of the special needs assistants and those children in primary schools with disabilities. We know that this is a very difficult time for those. So the temporary assignment of special needs assistants is now underway, and they will work as part of the Children's Disability Network teams to provide invaluable support to children. But we've also asked the Department of Health, Department of Children, Department of Education, and I've been talking to Minister Joe McHugh on this particular issue. We need to do more for those primary school kids who are out of school at the moment. Last week, you may have seen in the national media as well, we announced extra funding to support the disability organisations on the ground. And an extra 40 million is going in, and I emphasise extra, is going into social care supports and services, and many of the groups will get this extra funding to keep them going during the COVID crisis. So I'll come back to you later on again after the meeting to give you a further update.